Hey, what's up guys? How is it going? Welcome back to my channel. If you did not notice, I am in a different setting today. I am here at my apartment because I am on summer break. So, because it is summer break, I have some summer goals, and one of my summer goals is that I want to spend less money on food, which is going to be so hard for me because I love food. And so I'm going to be so tempted to spend money on food and try all of the good things that are out there. But because I want to spend less money on food, that means I have to do more cooking. And so I've decided to do like a little short cooking video on a recipe that I really like, and it involves some really simple, really easy, really cheap ingredients. So basically what I'm going to be cooking for you today is like a rice porridge, or in Chinese it's called jok, but I'm not doing like a traditional Chinese jok. I went to a hot pot, not a hot pot restaurant, like a Japanese sukiyaki type hot pot restaurant, and after your meal they use the broth to make a rice congee. And so this is pretty much just like inspiration of what they did there, and so I'm going to show you my take on that recipe. So stay tuned. It's a really simple, really easy, really cheap way of having a meal, so I hope you enjoy. Alright guys, so we have our final product here in our pot. I'm going to serve it into my bowl now. It smells really good. So now I can add my lettuce. Just put it right on top. And then my green onions. All right, one last thing that I forgot to add is my century egg. So in Chinese, this is called peidan. So I'm going to cut this up and I'm going to add it in. Be right back. I just added my century egg. So here is what it looks like. Here's the century egg, here are the green onions, and here's the lettuce. That lettuce adds like a really nice crunch to it and just adds a little bit of freshness. So this recipe is super easy to make. It's super quick. All you really need to know is how to boil water and you're good, and maybe how to like make rice so you have leftover rice. But yeah, it's super good. The lettuce adds like a little crunch. The onions add like some flavor, and I love the century eggs. They're like a really nostalgic and like traditional thing in Chinese chok, so that's why I added it, but it's really good. It's really hot. Yeah, so try this recipe. If you enjoyed it, leave me a comment down in the comment section below. Give this video a thumbs up. Let me know if you like these kind of videos. Make sure to subscribe for more content, and I will see you guys later. Bye.